last unit, language activity is there. In language activity, 30 marks questions are asking. In language activity, 6 topics are there. Word class. In word class, all these are parts of speech. In all parts of speech, we are only learning nouns, adjectives, verbs and adverbs. In second one, articles. Third topic is preposition. In preposition, preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of position. In fourth topic, some synonyms are asking. In fifth topic, antonyms are there. In last topic, 6.1, introducing. In introducing, self-introduction is there, and introducing the chief guest, introducing the principal, introducing the president, and introducing the family members, or introducing the relations, relatives, and last one, introducing friends. These all topics are given. In all topics, 100 marks question paper is there. In 100 marks, there is 80 marks for theory and 20 marks for internal assessment. In internal assessment, 20 marks is there. In internal assessment, 20 marks is there. 2 internal tests are taken. Next, attendance 3, tutorials 3 marks, totally 20 marks. All these 20 marks for internal assessment.